This question is under ratio and proportion. 7 men complete a certain work schedule in 6 days. So 7 men, 6 days. How long will it take 2 of the men to complete the same work schedule if they work at the same rate? So 7 men use 6 days to do the work. Now 2 out of the men, how many days will they use to complete the same work? So let's take into consideration that 7 men use 6 days. So if 2 men, we are supposed to have more days that will rise than 6, or days that will be more than 6, because they are working at the same rate. They have the same energy, they have the same spirit or whatever, and they are working at the same rate. So if 7 men use 6 days, 7 macho men, let me put it that way, 7 macho men use 6 days, then the same 2 macho men out of the 7, how many days would they use to complete that same work? So which means that the number of days they are supposed to use to complete the work must be more than the 6 days. In mathematics, we have a concept that if more days that we need, then the lesser value in all must do the division. And the lesser value here is the 2, which means that we'll multiply the 7 men by the 6 days, then we divide it by the lesser value. If we were to be looking for lesser days, then we shall use the greater value to do the division. So if more, less divides. We have the total men to days. The total men to days will be the 7 men. 7 men will multiply the 6 days. So in all, we will obtain 7 multiplying 6 being 42 men days. Total men days for the other aspect. So the other aspect, the first aspect is 7 men, 6 days. That's what I've done. Now we have 2 men. How many days is not known? So we have 2 men multiplying the number of days which we don't know. So in all, we have 2x men. 2x men. So 2x men here must be equal to the 42 days. We have the total men days, which we have obtained 42. We have the total men days for the other aspects, which we have also obtained 2x men. So this one must be equal to the other side. So we have 2x men is equal to 42 men days. So we divide, we need x, which is the number of days for the 2 men. We have 2 men all over 2 men. So this will cancel this man. 2 cancels 2. We have x is equal to this man cancels this man. We have 42 divided by 2. We have 21. So we have 21 days that the 2 men will use to complete the same work at the same rate. So therefore, the 2 men will use 21 days to complete the same work. So they will use 21 days to complete the same work. So you check through your objective test. 21 days is what is expected of you. It can be A, B, C, or D,